What we have here is an inline RF controller that's just hooked straight into the lamplighter. And then we have the remote control, which is just held in the hand. So let's take a look at that. So the remote controller allows us to turn lights on and off just with one switch. We can also change the intensity down to 25%, or we can do it continuously using those top buttons. We can also change the mode, which will change whether they flash in different sequences or not. We can change the speed of those flashes as well. So all very, very simple. So let's take a look at it on the layout and see how that looks. So turn the lights off, turn the lights back on. Very, very simple. We can then change the mode. So we've now got a fast blinking mode. Let's slow that way down. That's much better. Right. We can change it to a Mars light effect and a reverse Mars light effect. We can also just blinking, or we can change it to a sequence of blinks. Now let's change that and speed that way up. There we go. That looks like an emergency flashing vehicle. So you can imagine a scene with lots of emergency vehicles around a fire or an ambulance or whatever. So now they're just back on again, and we can just change the intensity of those, dim them way down, slowly bring them back up again. We can change it to 50%, 25%, or straight back up to 100%.
Trainz.com, making dreams come true, one train at a time.